Hello, very good morning to all of you. Let us start with integers, chapter 1. But before defining integer, we will recall natural numbers and whole numbers. However, we all are familiar with natural numbers and whole numbers, but then though, we will recall it once. What are natural numbers? Counting numbers are called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3 and so on. We use these numbers to count the things. And some facts related to natural numbers. The smallest natural number. 1 is the smallest natural number. And largest natural number. Largest natural number does not exist. Largest natural number exist नहीं करता है. Reason, what is the reason? Because every natural number has its successor. क्योंकि हर natural number का successor होता है. You think any number and just add 1 to it. We will get the next number. आप कोई भी नंबर सोचिए, उसमें 1 ऐड कीजिए, उसका सक्सेसर नंबर आ जाएगा. That's why we say that largest natural number does not exist. And the next is whole number. 0 together with natural numbers are called whole numbers. That is, if we insert 0 before natural numbers, it becomes whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. In the some fact related to whole numbers and natural numbers, all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. There is one number, that is 0, which is whole but not natural number. And like natural number, there is no largest whole number exists, but 0 is the smallest whole numbers. Let us define integer. So let me write the definition of integer. Then why should I waste time? I pause the video. Integers. Natural numbers, zero and negative of natural numbers together are called integers. Integers are the combination of natural numbers, 0 and negative of natural numbers. For example, first write the natural number and so on, 0 and negative of natural number. These are the integers, and from 1 onward, these are positive integers, and -1 required, these are negative integers, and 0 is neither negative nor positive. Keep this in mind. 0 is only integer. It is neither negative nor positive. Zero is only integer. When we consider integer, we must consider sign. Its sign. An integer may be negative or positive, and 0 is the only integer which is neither negative nor positive. It is only integer. Let us study. Let us discuss some rule to add integers. Addition of integers. There is two rules to add integers. The rule one is if we add two positive integer or two negative integer, say we have to add 35 and 48 and minus 35 and minus 48. The rule one is for if both the integer are positive or both the integer are negative. If we have these conditions, then we just add the two integer and put the sign of common integer. Here both the integer have similar sign. यहाँ दोनों इंटीजर पॉजिटिव है, तो पहले दोनों को ऐड करेंगे नंबर्स को और उसके बाद साइन को पुट करेंगे. बट टू express a positive integer we don't need to insert sign before it. If there is no sign, by default it means it is positive integer. अगर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को बताने के लिए हम लोग को साइन इंसर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. एंड इन दिस केस v2 ऐड द न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू फर्स्ट. पहले न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू को ऐड करेंगे नंबर्स को, देन वी पुट द साइन, then we put the common sign to the sign. Here common sign is minus, so here we just put. And in other way we also can do 35 plus 48 equal to 83, and this is minus 35 plus minus 48 equal to minus 83. This is the rule one. Rule 2. Rule 2. If we add one negative integer and one positive integer. Let us take an example. Say we have one positive integer and one negative integer. अगर एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर को ऐड करना हो तो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द डिफरेंस ऑफ इट्स न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू. पहले न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू का डिफरेंस निकालते हैं. से टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस जनरली we subtract a smaller number from bigger one. डिफरेंस निकालने के लिए जनरली हम लोग छोटे नंबर को बड़े नंबर में माइनस करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे न्यूमेरिकली 45 ग्रेटर है. यार आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉट माइनस 45. न्यूमेरिकली 45 इज ग्रेटर देन 35. नंबर 45 35 से बड़ा है. तो डिफरेंस निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे, बड़ा नंबर में छोटा नंबर कर देंगे. वी हैव 10. And now put the sign of the greater numeric. यहाँ पे जो बड़ा नंबर है उसका जो साइन है वो यहाँ अप्लाई कर दें. And we can write it as let us take another example. Say minus 48 and 55. Follow the rule. Subtract First, find the difference. Here, the numerically 55 is greater and 48 is lesser. So we find the difference. Here, we got 7 and put the sign of the greater numeric value. And there, the greater number is 55 and it is positive. So we will not insert any sign. The answer is 7. We can write it as minus 48 plus 55 equal to 7. Again, rule 2. To add one positive integer and one negative integer, first we find the difference and then we put the sign of greater numeric value before the difference. The next is subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. Let us take an example. However, subtraction and addition of integers, as we found the addition of two integers, it is similar when we need to find the difference, when we need to subtract an integer from other. Say, let us take an example. Subtract 45 from minus 37. Then we first need to write the expression minus 37 minus 45. Here some of the students get confused. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज कर जाते हैं. वो इसे कर देते हैं 45 minus 37 or 45 minus 37, but these both are wrong. Here we need to take care about preposition. The correct expression is that first write the integer that is preceded by this preposition. So first we write minus 37 and then minus 45. This is the correct translation of this. And now how can we find it? We can write it as presented. We can write this in this form. And now here this we have already added such integers under addition of integers. Means here I want to say that यहाँ मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि इंटीजर को ऐड करते हैं या इंटीजर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, दोनों में सेम प्रोसेस अप्लाई होता है. नाउ वी कैन डू सो. Add the numeric value first because both integers are negative. Rule 1 of addition of integers will be applied here. First add the two integers 37 and 45 is 82 and put the common sign here. The sign of both the integers is minus. This is the answer. Let us take another example. 35 minus 50. We can write it as 35 plus minus 50. And now here rule 2 of addition of integers will be applied. Here we have one negative integer and one one positive integer and one negative integer. So we will find its difference. What is the difference of 50 and 35? 15, 15, 50 और 35 का difference होगा 15. And now we will put the sign of greater numeric value before this. Here the greater numeric value is 50 and its sign is minus. So I will insert minus before. After all, we can say that whether we need to add it two integers or find the difference of two integers, the same rule is applied. But if you need to find the difference of integers, first we write the integers in the form of addition, as I did here. Here 35 minus 50, I wrote it in this form, and in this too, this form. When we will remove bracket, these both sign gets multiplied and becomes minus. There plus into minus it also gets minus. Now we will study the different properties of addition and subtraction one by one. So first, addition of integers. The first is closure property of integers under addition. Closure. Let us take two integers, any two integers. Minus 35 and 25. Closure property of integers. When we add two integers, the sum that we get is again an integer. It means it says that the integers are closed under addition. जब हम दो इंटीजर को ऐड करते हैं तो जो सम आता है वो भी एक इंटीजर होता है, जिसका मतलब है कि integers are closed. That is, integers are so closed that if we add these, we again get an integer. So minus, add these two integers, minus 35 plus 25. Here rule 2 will be applied. Find the difference, because we have one negative integer and one positive integer. So first find the difference. The difference is 10, and put the sign of the greater numeric value before it, minus 10. Here minus 35 is an integer, 25 is an integer, and its sum is minus 10. It is also an integer. So we say that integers are closed under addition. The next is, here we can illustrate it. 25 integer, minus 35 is also an integer, and when we add these two, we also get the sum is also an integer. And the next is commutative property. Commutative law of addition. Here commutative means the condition when the two integers will be added in any order, the result is same. That is called commutative. If this condition is right, then we can say that the integers are commutative. That is, अगर हम दो इंटीजर को ऐड करते हैं किसी भी ऑर्डर में, suppose we have two integers a and b. We add these two integers like a plus b. This is first order, and we can change the order of the integer. Say b plus a. If these both are true, then we can say that integers are commutative. Take an example. Let a equal to 48 and b equal to 37. Now find a plus b equal to 48 plus 37. Now find b plus a. 37 plus 48. What we find? In both the cases, the result is same. That is, a plus b equal to b plus a. Hence, we say that the integers are commutative under addition. Once again, अगर दो इंटीजर को किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड करते हैं और अगर रिजल्ट वही आता है तो इसका मतलब है कि इंटीजर्स कम्यूटेटिव लॉ को फॉलो करता है एडिशन. The next is associative law of addition. To discuss associative law of addition, we would require three integers. We must take three integers. Here, associative means a group of. Here, we will take three integers, and then 2 out of 3. We will make a group of 2 out of 3, and then find its addition. Say, we take -8, 17 and 13 and add this by combining 2 at a time. Say -8 plus 17. We make -8 and 17 and then 13. Just add -8 plus 17. Here one negative integer, one positive integer. Rule 2 will be applied. First we will find the difference. Difference of 8 and 17 is 9, and we will put the sign of greater numeric value. Here greater number is 17, which is a positive integer. So it is plus 9 plus 13 equal to 22. Now we will change the group. Now we will make a group of 17 and 13. -8 plus 17 plus 13. First, we will do the operation in the bracket. -8 plus 17 plus 13 is 30, and -8 plus 30. Rule 2. Find the difference of the numbers, numeric value. This is 22, and apply the sign of greater numeric value. That is positive. So we don't need to insert the sign. What we get in the both the cases, we got the same result. That is, integers are associative under addition. And the next is existence of additive identity. Existence of additive identity. Here, let me first explain identity. What is identity? Identity means identification. And this statement exposed that if we what should be added to a given integer so that it remains the same, means the sum is itself the integer. इंटीजर में क्या ऐड करें कि उसमें कोई चेंजिंग नहीं हो, इसका जो आइडेंटिटी है वो रिटेन करे, बरकरार रहे. Just think, what should be the answer? It is 0. Say a is an integer and what should be added to it so that the result doesn't get changed? Obviously the answer is 0. We take an integer 15 and when we add 0 to it, the result is 15. Means the identity of 15 doesn't get changed. This is the existence